Hello there, amazing amigos. Welcome to APS Skills. This is your Prithviraj, and today in this video we are going to see how to find out a square root. So to find a square root, you should be clear with squares from 1 to 10 which are there on the screen. Before getting into the square root, we should know one thing. The numbers ending with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0 are the perfect squares. So any number ending with these numbers are known as perfect squares, and we can easily find out the square root. And the numbers ending with 2, 3, 7 and 8 are non-perfect squares. If a number ends with these numbers, it is not a perfect square, so we cannot find out the square root. So let us take an example of a square and let us see how to find out the square root of that square. So let us take a 3-digit number, square root of 784. If you observe this, 84, the last two numbers is going to be a part and 7 is going to be a separate part. And in the last part, the number is ending with 4, and the squares which end with 4 is 2 square, which is 4, and 8 square, which is 64. So there are two possibilities for this, which is one ending with 2 and the second one ending with 8. And as it is a 3-digit number, the square root of this number is going to be a 2-digit number. And if you see, the second part is 7, and 7 is lying in between squares, 2 square which is 4 and 3 square which is 9. So the least number 2 is going to be in the first place. So the possibilities are going to be either 22 or 28. And simply multiply 2 with 3 right now and you will end up with 6. If you observe 7 and compare it with 6, 7 is always greater than 6. So we are supposed to pick the largest number, which is 28. So 28 is going to be the square root of 784. Now let us find out the square root of a 4-digit number. So the process is exactly same, but we will have 4 digits. The square root of 8, 2, 8, 1. Let us find out the square root of 8281. Again, the last two numbers are going to be one part and the remaining numbers are going to be another part. If you observe, 81 is ending with 1. So what are the squares which end with 1? 1 square which is 1, 9 square which is 9. So as it is the 4-digit number, I am going to end up with a 2-digit square root, and the last ones place is going to be either 1 or else 9. And take the next part, which is 82. And check out 82 is lying in between which squares. So if you observe, 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. So 82 is lying in between 9 square and 10 square. Take the least number, which is 9, and keep it in 10's possibilities. So the possibility is either 91 or else 99. Now to pick one out of this, you should multiply 9 with 10. So 9 tens are 90. So compare this value with 82. So if you observe, 82 is less than 90, so you are supposed to go with the smaller number out of our possibilities. What is the smaller number? 91 is the smaller number, so that is why it is going to be our answer. The square root of 8281 is 91. Now let us go with a 5-digit square root. And if you are going with 5-digit square root, you should know squares beyond 10 as well. So let us take a square root of 15625. Again, the last two numbers is going to be one part and the remaining 3 numbers are going to be another part. If you observe, the last number is ending with 5. Only 5 squares end with 5. So there is only one possibility, 5. But as it is a 5-digit number, we are going to have a 3-digit square root for that. And if you take the remaining part is 156, and if you observe, 156 is lying in between 2 squares, which is 12 square and 13 square. 12 square which is 144 and 13 square which is 169. So you should know squares beyond 10 because of the same reason. And if you observe, you should take the least value, and 12 is the least value, so 125 is the only possibility that we are having. So directly I can say square root of 15,625 is 125.